Hello everyone, today we are doing a video on how to slice, and I'm going to show you where to get the files. Alright, so we're going to go on printables, as you can see here, and we're going to search up, we'll just do articulated small things. Okay, looks like there's no stuff for that, so we'll just do articulated small. So you can see here we got all this stuff, and today I'll just print you because I'm just going through how to slice and stuff like that. So I'm gonna print you this I'm gonna print a small baby articulated dragon. So we're gonna click on it like this, and I'm using the software Printables. It's really nice. We're gonna download it. We're going to do the just regular geometric baby dragon. So we're going to hit download. And now it's download up here. I know you probably can't see it because I took that out of the view. It's in my head actually. Alright, so now we're going to take this geometric baby dragon. We're going to set it right here. Didn't know what that meant, but that's our problem for later. And now we're going to find the file. So geometric baby dragon right here. We're going to drag that into the slicer program I'm using, Flash Print 5. It's going to do a little dance for us. I think that start slicing thing is going to be cut out a little. So errors has occurred to this model. I'll just repair the model, so there's no errors. The model has been repaired. Alright, so right now we're going to scale it. I'm going to make it a little smaller. Not too small. Like that. Because we have to put the GoPro right there. Like that. So maybe a little smaller. Yeah, like something around there. So now that it's this big, we're going to see if we need supports. So how we're going to do that is we're going to come down and click supports. And then I could add my own supports, and it's really hard, but you could hit manually and add and then put supports there, or actually don't know because I don't know it. So that's just hook that up on Google. But for now we're just going to hit auto supports. And it looks like it added the supports. Now, fun fact, I just learned this a couple of days ago. You can hold this and go up and down. And like when you go up, it kind of clears the model out. And then you can see what's inside. So that's really nice to see. So now we'll go down like that. So now that we've clicked auto supports, we're going to hit back. And since we've already had supports, we can't do any of these anymore. So now we'll hit the start slicing button in the top. I have it on advanced settings, but I'll show you if you first sign in, this is what it's going to look like. If you want more of the advanced stuff, hit expert mode in the bottom left, and it will show you everything. So it looks really nice. We're going to hit slice. It's going to load. Fun fact, while we're waiting, I'm doing this subscriber contest. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to mention 10 subscribers. Out of all the subscribers I have, I'm going to mention 10. They're going to get a shout out in the video. Okay, so please like and subscribe, and then drop a comment down below. Alright, looks like we're done. So now I always hit slice preview so I can see everything that's going to happen. So it tells me this. I don't really pay attention too much to this over here. I pay attention to more of this up here. So it's telling you the estimated print time. It's going to be a while. I'm going to have to change the GoPro a couple times. So yeah, then what we're going to do is we're going to grab our flash drive. I have a micro SD hooked up to it. So we're going to grab that and plug it into the computer. And, sorry. Tried plugging it into the wrong one. So now it's plugged in. So we're going to go back out. Sorry, I'm new. We're going to go back like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit download. And I already have it set to my flash drive's named Dentina because it was the other, it was the other flash drive, it was the other printer I used. So now I'm just gonna show you. So normally it would show up as like a file here, but we're not gonna want that. We're gonna click on our flash drive. So we're gonna have to come somewhere down here. If you're not able to find it or it's too hard, just type up the name. So mine is Dentina, and it should pop up like that. Sorry, that was weird. Save. So now we're going to save it, and now it's saving to our flash drive. So now we're going to go out. We're going to click on the flash drive. And here it is. So it's in here somewhere. I'm not going to look for it. So now we're going to go to the printing part. Or first, before we do that, double click on your flash drive, just in case you did not know this, and click right over here where it says the name and it has that little thing. Eject it. So then it goes. Alright, now we're going to skip to the 3D printing. And it is done. Thank you all for sticking with me for the adventure. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to drop it into the comment. Oh, this is kind of hard to get off. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Alright, now let me see if y'all can listen to it. I hope that sounded amazing to y'all. But here it is. I'll show you in the short of it actually being articulated. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.